Alright guys, so this video right here is going to be one of these cars right here is going to do today. I'm torn between doing these three right here or coming back and doing, or including this guy in it. I'm going to pull out all the ones I may do today and see where it's at, so we'll go from there. These are all the ones that are just getting painted. I know they're just gonna get body painted. All the others, I think, are not. I'm leaning more towards this guy because I think this guy's gonna look pretty sweet. So that's just me. I'm thinking about leaning more towards him, or leaning more towards this car and leave these two for another day. Leave this guy and this guy for another day. We'll do one of these two. I'm going to probably do this car right here, guys. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this car right here. All right, guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so there we go. I got the gun already done. Which already looks pretty sweet on the Halo car. Now what I'm working on right now is doing the seats, the outer side, and then we'll call it good. Oh, dang it, it's on my finger now. So I'm going to just show you guys what basically I'm doing. I'm going nice and slow with this to make sure it's not going anywhere where I don't want it. We got a fine tip brush right here. It's also going to help. And then there's some hard to reach spots. Make sure I got enough paint on the brush to reach some of those hard to reach spots, such as over here. There you guys go. I wish I had black. I don't have black paint, this type of black paint right now. I wish I had every color. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna throw a big, huge celebration, and then I'm going to probably go out and buy actually everything I need for YouTube and for this, so I can get this thing going. So guys, help me get to 1,000 subscribers, and then I'll do basically a big celebration, and then I'll get actually makes the buy things I need for the channel to grow bigger. So yeah, let's go. That's basically what it's gonna look like, and when we put this, which is gonna be this part of it, on top, that's what it's gonna look like. And then when we grab the black vehicle, put the black car on the top, nice and slow and steady. It's not in its place. You guys get an idea what it's gonna look like though. Just that gun alone already looks pretty cool. I wish I could get the even the roll cage in like a different color. I don't have a different color for the roll cage, sadly. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rims though, looking good. All right, guys, the rims. Hardest part right here. We're gonna do the rims, then we're gonna do the side guards. All right, make sure you don't get onto the actual tire itself. Just make sure you get the rims only. Just like that. Alright guys, this is going to take a lot of study to do, so I'm going to see you guys when I'm done with the tires. That's a lot of concentration. See you guys when I'm done with the tires. Alright guys, this video is going to be uploaded later in tonight. But here you guys go. So we got this video going. We're going to put this vehicle together, and we'll call it good once this vehicle is all together. Catch you guys, or actually I'm not going to catch you guys, and go ahead and watch me put this vehicle together. So you guys go. This is all nice and dry. It's perfect. Ooh, that is good. Don't mind my, excuse me, don't mind my stupid band-aid. I cut my finger today when I was cutting up some meat, trying to butcher a cow. Just kidding, it was just some pig meat, basically. I was just cutting up. This looks pretty good, though. Alright, so I'm going to take you guys over to the actual main light where it's better, so you guys can actually see it. So hold on a sec. Alright, let's go ahead and on with some better lighting over here. Where did the lighting go? Let me go for over here. Dang it. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys back in a sec. I need to find the actual lighting that's for over here in the corner. See you guys in a sec.